Hi everyone, myself Jayashree. I'm working as a senior project engineer in a field traditionally dominated by men. I'm proud to stand here as a female engineer at Applus IDIADA, breaking stereotypes every day. Coming from a rural background, I have seen how stereotypes can limit the opportunities, especially for the women in automotive industry. There's a belief that this field isn't meant for us, but at IDIADA, we are proving otherwise. I'm not alone. Here we stand together, empowered by the support of our colleagues, male and female alike. We believe lifting each other up, encouraging and proving that women can excel in any field. In this industry, teamwork isn't just about gender. It's about working together, respecting each other's strengths, and breaking barriers. Being a woman in automotive isn't just about the job title. It's about breaking societal norms, challenging expectations, and showing that passion and skill go beyond gender. At Applus IDIADA, we don't just talk about empowerment, we live it. Happy Women's Day from all of us. Thank you.